we back with another snack. Today, I went and got some Andy Capp hot fries, man. If y'all ain't had these before, I'm finna put you on point, man. These was out before I was born. These them old school hot fries that our mama and daddies was eating, before Cheetos. And they're way different texture too than the hot fries from I forgot, Cheeto Wilmington. But these way better. Not way better, but just a different preference. I'm about to eat the whole bag. Yeah, man. Go get you some Andy Capp hot fries, man.